man, it's done. Oh, check him out. Oh, that's so cool. The string art takes me long to do. 55 hours, 43 minutes, and it turned out incredible. Check that thing out. Amazing. I love the fact that he just desk moves a little bit and he swings on the strings. That is incredible. I love this design. They did an amazing job with this design. Oh man. It's a long print. Now somehow they snake lights into it. I gotta figure out how to do that next. But man, even if I don't do the lights, what an amazing print. Turned out fantastic. Found this model on makerworld.com, the suspended X-Wing with LED strip. So I'm going to figure out how to get LEDs in there like he did. But check out this designer, Faye 3D Lab. He's done all sorts of them. And he does an amazing job with these. I did this egg before. But he's got some Star Trek ones. He's got several different ships here. The Razor Crest. He's got other Star Wars ships. Even has the Bat Light, which is kind of cool as well. So check out his models and his design. He does an awesome job. Stargate just does an amazing job with his designs. I think he gets overlooked a little bit.